Hello, and welcome back to another exciting legal adventure in the world of legacy made clear with your friend of mine, Aaron Stringer. Aaron, how you doing today?
Having a good day. Going well. How are you?
I am also having a good day now that we're through the holidays and we kind of know what day this actually is. Today's podcast, we want to talk a little bit about how does estate planning work for blended families. And as we were talking earlier, I could have used you a few years ago, but I know you were not an attorney back then.
Right.
But you could have saved me a lot of pain and heartache. So, what are some unique challenges that people with second marriages and stepchildren face?
Yeah. So this is one of those areas where people often think of estate plan and they just think of money, like how much, do you have to be rich before an estate plan is needed? And this is exhibit A of no, it might not matter at all how much wealth someone has or what type of assets they have. It can just be about the family structure itself. So as it sounds like you're well aware, family
Yeah.
dynamics can get very, very interesting and cause a lot of drama. And it's no less dramatic after someone dies or when there's, the extra emotion that happens towards the end of life. And so estate planning can be very important. It can help to make sure that in that second marriage, make sure that both spouses are going to have what they need after one passes away. Uh, Make sure that the surviving spouse is cared for, while also making sure that the biological children of each parent, of each spouse, is also going to receive what they should in the inheritance. So there's that balance of making sure that both of those things can happen. And at the same time, this is where communication is so key. Make sure that everyone's either on board or at least aware of what's supposed to happen. And so I see that part as part of my job is try to open up those channels of communication so that the spouses are aware of what's going on and that they then let the children know that this is our plan and please honor it and respect it.
Yeah, that is a big deal. You hit the nail on the head there when you mentioned communication. So, I would like to reiterate to everyone listening today who has a blended family situation, take Aaron's advice. Number one, make sure you've got good communication channels. And number two, it is so important to make sure you've got your estate planning if you're in a blended family. You've got natural children, you've got stepchildren, you've got current wives or husbands, ex-wives and husbands. Don't let this thing fall by the wayside. I'm talking from personal experience here. You just need to get this thing going. Aaron, would you agree with that?
I do, yeah. There are very specific measures we can take, clauses that we include in the trust and other documents to address these specific issues. We don't want to again, we don't want to leave a surviving spouse either without the resources that they need. We also don't want them to feel guilty about using resources that are available to them. And at the same time, each spouse is going to want what they have to go to their kids. And
Right.
so we could try to do that at the same time.
Exactly right. Being part of a blended family is stressful enough already in a number of
Yeah,
situations. Don't add one more stress log to the fire.
right.
Get this thing done immediately as quick as you can. Avoid a lot of stress, a lot of heartache, even additional arguments. Oh, would that ever happen in a blended family? Oh, yeah.
Never.
No, that never happens because we all just love one another. I make light of this because that's how I deal with stress. So don't go through what I went through.
Right.
This just what you need to do is you need to call Erin for a free blended family consultation. What's that phone number again, Erin?
Yeah, please. It's 435-817-9187. And you can send me an email as well at astringer at redclifflegal.com.
Okay. And check out your website, redclifflegal.com.
Yep.
And we want to remind everybody to watch, listen, and subscribe to all of Aaron's podcasts. It's available on YouTube, it's on Facebook, and it's on all of the major podcast channels. Audio only if you like to listen to podcasts when you're driving. Available on all the major podcast channels, including Spotify and Apple and all the big ones. Be sure and check that out. Call Aaron for your free consultation. Aaron, any other parting words of wisdom before we head on down the road?
I don't think so. Just looking forward to meeting all these different Brady bunches now and see what I can do to help them out.
Looking forward to it. You guys take care and sing along with your favorite Aaron Stringer song on the way out. See you guys again next time with Legacy Made Clear.